of a composite function, let's say example like this. If y equals to, let's say example, first derivative of a composite function, you have used this example, 2x plus 3 square. If normal method, I can expand it only we do. Okay, let's do. Okay, y, expand it. So 2, 4x square plus 3, 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12x plus 3, 9. Then you do the differentiation, 8x plus 12. Finish. So done. This is normal one. Okay, so if today you are going to learn the composite function, okay, another method lah, method 1, method 2. This one even faster the way. So I can straight away dy dx. I treat is a whole thing, the x. Like remember last time, y equals to ax power n. So dy dx, the basic one is a power n, the x power n minus 1. Okay, so now this one, the 2 go in front, and inside I just copy like the x. And then this one n minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 1. And because inside is not only x, inside is algebraic. So I have to differentiate inside. Differentiate the inside. Differentiate 2x plus 3. After differentiate 2x plus 3, you will get 2. So your final answer will be 2 times 2, 4. Actually, no need to write this step lah, but I write for you easier. So 2, 4 times 2, 8x, and then 12. You see, it's the same. This is fast way. We call it using composite function. Right? The method is 2 go in front. Then this one you remain. This one same, minus 1. And if inside algebraic, you differentiate again. Okay? Okay, now let's try this question. Sorry, y equals to 3 minus 4x power 4. Okay, if power 4, okay, is this one power 2, I can expand and do. If power 4, not easy for me to expand, right? Therefore, I need to use a composite function. Okay, you may try now. Okay, done? Okay, just now the method I teach you is in a fast way. But if I want to make it for you to understand, okay. I let y equals to u power 4. So dy du equals to 4u power 3. This one understand, right? So I let y equals to u power 4. That means u equals to 3 minus 4x. So du dx equals to, this one 3 no more, then negative 4. This one you must know how to differentiate the polynomial that we revised just now. Okay, finish. So now I want to find dy dx. Okay, dy dx equals to, use the chain rule, dy dx. So here I have du, so I put du. This one we call as chain rule. Okay, so dy du is this one, 4u3. Du dx, this one, negative 4. And now you see the u substitute back is 3 minus 4x power 3. And this one negative 4. Okay, then you simplify. Dy dx equals to negative 16. And this one you just maintain. You don't need to expand because lesser x is easier. The unknown. So later when I substitute value, I substitute 1x only. Okay. You see, this is using the chain rule. Okay, I let the y, this is y, y equals to u power 4. So I dy du 4u3. And since y equals to u power 4, u is inside here. So u is inside this one. So du dx, negative 4. Then use the chain rule because I want to find dy dx. So dy dx. Du later I can cancel. Okay, dy dx. So you substitute dy du inside here, du dx inside here, and substitute back your u here. Okay, so this is the chain rule. And if I want to, from here, this step, straight away here, no need to do all this, okay, also can. Just use a fast way. How the fast way? It is, the 4 go in front, see, the 4 go in front, inside, copy back, so inside, copy back. 4 minus 1 is 3. And inside this one, differentiate. So inside you differentiate, you get negative 4. Inside you differentiate, you get negative 4. Then you expand this, simplify it. Answer, done. Okay? So this is what we call we're using composite function. First derivative of composite function. Okay, done, understand this one? Okay, so this is when inside is algebraic ax plus b power n. Okay, so you use the chain rule, what I explained just now. Therefore, you got the answer. Okay, now let's see this one. 3x squared minus 4x power 7. If I ask you to expand it, it's very difficult for you to expand the power 7. Therefore, this one we use composite function. So it use the chain rule. Inside is u. And this one whole thing, y is u power 7. Okay? So method the same like what I do just now, using chain rule, dy du, du dx. So if I want to use a fast way, okay, let's see if I want to use a fast way. Okay, the question is, okay, example 7. Example 7, y equals to 3x squared minus 4x power 7. The chain rule using u power 7 and then the u dx. Now I straight away. Okay, dy dx 7 go in front. Inside I copy. 7 minus 1, you get 6. And inside differentiate, again, this is a very important step. So 3 to 6x minus 4. Okay, so here, you multiply inside. 7 times 6, 42x. 7 times 4, 7, 4, 28. Okay, and this one, copy. And also I can factorize out. This one I see 42 and 28 is quite big. I can factorize divided by 28 cannot divided by 14. So divided by 14. 42 divided by 14 you get 3x. This one divided by 14 you get 2. You make the function simplify, and this one cannot simplify anymore because it's power 6. So this is dy dx, and final answer you please write your subject so that you know this is dy dx. Okay, example 7 done. Sorry, this one. Example 7, this one. Answer same, right? Okay, B. This one power negative 3. Also same lah. Okay. Example 7B. Example 7B. Okay, y equals to 1 over. Okay, wherever there is over, you make it up. This is y, not yet dy dx. Okay, this one power negative 3. You also don't know how to expand. If you don't know how to expand and inside algebraic, we use composite function. Dy dx, negative 3 go in front. This one inside, I copy. Negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. Inside, this is very important, is 2. So this one expand, negative 6. Okay, this one power negative 4. Okay, and I said, well, final answer don't leave a power negative. Therefore, dy dx is negative 6 over, this one power negative whole thing, go down, power 4. This one is your final answer. Okay? Okay, next, 7c. Example 7c. Y equals to square root 6x power 2 plus 8. So this one I don't know how to do. I simplify first. Simplify how? Power 1 over 2. Okay, now I can do. Then only I write dy dx. The subject very important because you know this is y, or this is dy dx, or this is d2y dx2. You must mention what is this. Because later too many function, you don't know what function is it. Okay, now we start again. Same method. How? 1 over 2, go in front. And then this one inside. Copy 1 over 2 minus 1. You get negative 1 over 2. Just do. Okay, then inside differentiate. 6 to 12x. 8 no more. Finish. Okay, and then this one. 1 over 2 times 6 times 12, 6x. This one I say, the power negative, you go down. Okay, power negative, you go down. Wait. Before this, okay, this one, 6x square, correct lah. Okay, this one cancel is 6x. This one power negative, 1, 2, it means square root lah. Okay, square root. 1 over 2 is square root. Give me a square root. Square root. Done. Dy dx, yes, correct. So subject must write, the final one subject must write. Okay, done. 7c. Okay, so you can do exercise 2.4.